strong as Igbo Ndi Igbo, you now get this message. As I'm to share this message, I want you to share this message. This morning I wake up, I discover that this our brother is Ndi Igbo. That this our brother is still insane. This our brother now is Ndi Igbo. Right now. What is the problem? Can you hear this our brother Mele? Can you hear this our brother Meloji when on Uno Ndi Igbo? Nene onya and then yan of ma unechitere onye obu. Onye abu mgbe ahụ na-eme presidential election ndị ofe mmanụ na-akpọ afia ndị Igbo ọkụ na persecute ndị Igbo na Lagos. Na-akpọ afia ndị Igbo ọkụ na-emekpasị ndị Igbo alụ because of issue of obedience. This our brother will be new author. Where Bamba stand there for Igbos. Well, let's not open and you back continue on Ndi Igbo that he Eastern Security IPOP invite Kahabe Lagos protect Igbos. Though in that particular area, orderly by saying that a mistake since then, Lagos State Governor, Nigeria government, and this man, this man, since then. But how about those people, those Yorubas that are persecuting Igbo during election? MC, somebody like that, MC. Many of them in Lagos State, many of Yorubas that are persecuting Igbo, election, because of they believe in P2B. Can you hear government? Can you hear Nigeria government? Those people. This man will stand there for Igbos. For what follow this man? For what follow this man since how many months now? Going to 1 year. Ozuloshi, Oburomade, Ojiwe, because of Ihon and Ndi Igbo na Lagos. Ojiwe wele bamba stand there for Igbos. Make mistake that doku wele kuo na government IPOP invite Kahabe Lagos Kaha protected the business of Igbos. Since then, all the Igbos in Lagos, can you protest about this our brother? Onye to protect Ikurundi Igbo. Now everybody have forget him. This is the kind of Igbos this is the kind of things some of Igbos are doing. Everybody, all the Igbos in Lagos have forget this man. All the Igbos in Lagos have forget this man that stood for them. Echinine inemeko onye oza aspect ka obia kwulu no onye kwulu ekwu na onye nke kwulu ekwu na ihe o mele ya. Today Lagos State Governor Kakposhi this man oputa bello this man aputa bello can you feel mele? He want to protect his brothers and sisters in Yorubas. Yoruba persecute. He stood up for them. But right now, nobody is talking about them. All the Igbos in Lagos are not talking about this man till today. All the Igbos in Lagos are not talking about this man. Listen to me. Even me, I'm not happy there. When I feel sick, I do happy. So if you are listening to this message and you are Igbo, the only thing Chokime will share this message. If you are an Igbo man and you are listening to this message, the only thing Chokime will share this message. Be your brother's keeper. Only thing Chokime can share this message. That is the only thing Chokime taking a message. As long as you are Igbo, tell the Lagos State governor to release this man. Tell them to release this man. All those people, I don't really know their name. Madagana about MC something like that. All of them challenging Ndi Igbo, persecuting Ndi Igbo, born election. Can you hear me, lefe? Oha profa. They did not harm them. Why had you pose our brothers? Why had you put this man? Since many months, going to 1 year till now, this man. Ona Bafendi Igbo na Lagos. Ona kwatu Ndi Igbo. Onye we binye bamba. Una forget to say ye. Una don't forget them. Una don't forget them. Una chefugo this man. Una chefugo ye. Una chefugo ye Ndi Igbo. Una chefugo this our brother standing for us. Una chefugo ye. Everybody have forget about him. Nobody's talking about him. No brothers, no Igbo bloggers, no Igbo content creators. Is Makonya. Onye na Igbo Ndi Igbo one for the Lagos. Tell me, If I need on a kutusu no Ndi Igbo na Lagos since how many months now? Governor of Lagos State, Obiaba Kutuo, Ojeba Kutuo, Ojaba Kutuo. Who is speaking again? Nobody is speaking. All of them, they have silent their mouth. Can do a permanent somebody in Igbo land, a king or somebody on Mama and Igbo, Nekwoku against Onosa Kutusu no Ndi Igbo na Lagos. Onendi Yoba say will back their property in political power. They will call their land, they will call their property Igbos in Lagos in political way. Who is it? Only Igbo can stand arm to speak. Nobody. No one can this man on Afukuru. Since today, this man, Aka, because of us standing for Munea. And no Igbo blogger, no Igbo content creator. All these Igbos are named put on social media. Nobody is talking about this man. I'm not happy. I thought that always go this man. This money can be a wash one of this man. No risk here. Now can no since then. Since then, what is the meaning of one Nigeria? Where is all the Yorubas that are speaking against Igbo, persecuting Igbo during the election? All of them are free. Government do not harm them. Government do not arrest them. But because of this man stand for Igbos, they arrest this man till today. They never read this man. All the Igbo shops now, their houses, they are taking it back from Igbos. They are taking it back from them. Igbo China alone, on all 20 years, 50 years, Fanalagia, they will take it. But governor of Lagos State and the Tinubu, they use political power, political style. Walepia, they will call all those land that Igbo bought in Lagos. They are taking it one by one. All of them, they are taking it with political power. They are taking it back from Igbos. And who they talk? Nobody they talk. All our eastern governors, all of them keep silent. Ndi Igbo, all of them keep silent. All the permanent Igbo people keep silent. And we are here on social media fighting ourselves. We cannot stand for our brothers, our sisters that have been persecuted by the Nigerian government. I never been on social media, not on social media. And nobody is able to talk. As long as you are in Igbo and you are watching this message, I want you to share this message. Tell the Lagos State governor to release this our brother. They should release him. That is why now they have arrested this man. They don't want to release this man. Tell him to release this man. I pray that God Almighty, that greater heaven and earth, God Almighty will protect the Igbos. Ndi Igbo na tezba afufu. Ndi Igbo na tezba afufu na this country. Ndi Igbo na tezba afufu. Ndi Igbo na tezba afufu. Ndi Igbo na ta afufu. Ndi Igbo na ta afufu our father satara. Afufu our father satara. Afufu our father satara. Ndi Igbo na ta afufu na this country Nigeria. Ndi Igbo na ta afufu. If onye ugwu me, onye ugwu na free. Onye Yobe me, ona free. Onye Franye me, na free. Man onye Igbo me hani ozugbo trouble. They will arrest that man. I sent message to governor of Lagos State. I told him, Opuluna, na ndausa, the kind of houses, shops, investment, property, Ndi Igbo in Lagos. Governor of Lagos State will not have the mind to destroy their house, to take back land. Lagos State governor cannot ever try to go and take land on our Gulu. Take their shop, destroy their house, take it back. They will not do it. If they do it, they will set Lagos on fire. Nigeria get muloko. Open and the Franny, no and the Franny will only Ndi Igbo in Lagos. Loan on Ndi Igbo in Lagos. Now Lagos State governor Tinubu use of political power. Now that will call those property. Do you think that the Franny game is shown? Governor of Lagos State and Tinubu will not even Fagre will be made, because if they do it, Lagos State will be on fire, Nigeria will be on fire. But why Igbos? Why are they persecuting Igbos? Why are they persecuting Igbos? Tell me, why? Ndu content creators Ndi Igbo, Ndu bloggers Ndi Igbo. Now let us start talking about this our brother. OG since I'm going to 1 year now. Tell the Lagos State governor and Tinubu to release this our brother. All standing for Igbos in Lagos. Because of Onendo Femonis and Ndi Igbo. Now they have arrested him since how many, going to 1 year now. All the Igbos, content creators, bloggers, you people should start talking about the release of this our brother. Ndi Igbo in Lagos. You people should start talking about to release this our brother. I never celebrate Christmas, never celebrate New Year. Man, when you stand there for Igbos in Lagos, on since nobody want to talk. Nobody want to talk. This man is only I don't know the man. I don't know him personally. Man, I look at the man at Beze. Nani, what the guy is Obigwe, Nani. I don't know. All the man at Bigwe, Nani. The man look at Igbo, body keep a couple. Opustes in the born of Ndi, what is saying? I could remember last 4 months ago, last 5 months, behind a mother. I could remember when we problem I was dying, crying for help. I know what some Igbos are saying. I know what they're saying. That I should go to Jesus. That I believe that Jesus is God. Now cut off point. I got somebody now on the stand there for no take risk. No take risk. I wasn't on my problem. I forget to say here. This our brother. They have forget about him. If the people of Igbo forget about this man, I will not forget about him. Because this man stood up for my brothers and my sisters that are living in Lagos. I will not forget him. I will not forget him. No matter, I will not forget him. I will not forget him. Because this man stood up for Igbos on a persecuted in Lagos. I will end this message here. I will end this message here. But please, make sure that you share this message. Make sure that you share this message. Tell the Lagos State Governor to release this our brother. Tell him to release this our brother. This our brother is innocent. Only hojo nyamelo. Only hojo nyamelo. Only hojo nyamelo. Kalia hojo ndo fulani na emena Lagos, but nothing is happening to them. Hana got free. Kalia only hojo nyamelo. So tell him to release this our brother. Tell him to release this our brother. Let him come out. We are celebrating Christmas, celebrating New Year, and this our brother are crying, living in pain. Living in pain. On the grand cell. Or because of on a Bafian Umunem up in Lagos, or because of on a two Munem in Lagos, on a sister their property, will be nyota, condemn warrior, who still Munem on of Kahaji Wabromo Puchemu, Tim out and grand cell. Who is talking about me? Nobody. This man I never back when him on the grand cell. I never celebrate Christmas, never celebrate New Year. I never celebrate Christmas and New Year when our brother share this message. If you are an Igbo man, share this message. Unless you are an enemy of Igbos, if you are an enemy of Igbos, don't share it. Open Igbo, the enemy of Igbos, don't share it. If you are an enemy of Igbo, don't share this message. I don't really know what is happening to this our tribe or Ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo. Open this man. If this man is an Hausa man now, and the Opeluo on a persecute in the Hausa, on also persecute in Ndi Igbo in Lagos, this man will be not awake even to today, they will be start doing protests. They must release him. That's how we start talking. They will be talking. They will be doing peaceful protests to release this man. But Igbos, we are Nigerian, but some forget it. If you remember, that's why some people now told you that stand there for Igbos, because after stand there for Igbos, they forget about him. They will forget. They will forget. I'm not feeling fine. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I'm telling the truth. I watched this thing online right now. So this man cannot name me. I thought that they have released this man. I thought that they have released this man since how many months? Going to 1 year during the election time. Obedient and all this. I don't know that this man cannot name me. Hey, Odoroma. Ndi Igbo Odoroma. Odoroma ka ichefu nwoka. Odoroma ka ichefu nwoka. Odoroma. This man stand for us. Us stand for Munai on a persecute Lagos. Odoroma ka ichefu this man. Odoroma. Let's stand for this man. Let's stand for him. Let us stand for him. Let's stand for him, please. Let's stand for this man. I don't really know that this man cannot even. Let's stand for him. And I pray that God Almighty will protect him wherever he is. I pray that God Almighty will protect this man. God will protect him and God will see him through. Because he stands for the truth. He stands for his people. And his people have forsaken him. and but I pray that God Almighty will protect him wherever he is. Right now in the underground cell, I pray that God Almighty will protect him. Only Igbo not condemn me. Ndi Igbo Lagos. They will let this man. They will arrest that person. Open this man can outside. Open this man outside now. Oto say I could do shops and houses in Igbo. This man will stand up to speak. He will stand up to speak. But right now, how much who we talk? Nobody. Kedo chairman as kedo no mama na Lagos mo dey speak go where's all mama since on akutusu no Ndi Igbo na Lagos na akutusu their shop kedo ne kwumuru okwu wanu mo ne kwumuru okwu tell me ha no na anya and how many ho na emu mu ne for Lagos adro ma ngojo na to fi ikwu okwu ngojo na to fi ikwu okwu onye nke kwuru okwu ogbochie ye ayi gbasize nkiti chefuo ye odro mma. Let's stand for our brother. Let's stand for our brother. I will end this message here. Thank you. And God bless you. As long as that you are an Igbo man, make sure that you share this message so that our brothers, our sisters will see it. As long as you are a content creator from Igbo land, please make sure that you have speaking about this man, woman this man. As long as you are a blogger, please let's start talking about this man. Let's revive this thing. Let's revive it out. They must release this our brother. Thank you and God bless you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagba. Shalom.